Chapter 7, Exercise 7.91. Lead poisoning is a serious condition resulting from the ingestion of lead in food, water, or other environmental sources. Lead poisoning is treated with chelating agents such as this: Succimer, C4H6O4S2. Suppose you're trying to determine the appropriate dose for Succimer treatment of lead poisoning. Part A. What minimum mass of Succimer is needed to bind all of the lead in a patient's bloodstream? Assume that patient blood lead levels are 43 micrograms per deciliter. The total blood volume is 5.0 liters. 1 mole of Succimer binds 1 mole of lead. How do we tackle this problem? We'll set up an equation. We'll make sure the number of moles of Succimer equals the number of moles of lead. Alright, so let's do this. Number of moles of this is the idea. Alright, and now can we get the number of moles of lead? We have 5.0 liters. We have the concentration here in microgram per deciliter, so we can calculate the amount of lead in grams and then convert it to moles. On the left hand side of this equation over here, well, we have the mass of Succimer divided by the molar mass. Now let's set up the equation. I'm going to assume the mass of this is m in grams divided by the molar mass of this chelating agent. Alright, the formula is carbon 4 H6O4 S2. 4 carbons, I'm going to use 12 as the molar mass for carbon. Hydrogen, oxygen, 16 times 6. And we have 2 sulfur atoms. The number of moles of lead. So first we need to get the mass. How do we do that? We have 5.0 liters and 43 microgram per deciliter. I will convert this to 50 deciliters multiplied by 43 microgram. 1 microgram is 10 to the power negative 6 grams. So now we have the mass of lead in grams divided by the molar mass of lead. Now we have this equation that can be used to calculate the mass of the chelating agent C4H6O4S2. Assuming m is a variable, it's actually the mass of this chelating agent, and we have this mass over here. It's going to be 0.00222 grams. Over here the unit is milligram. So what we can do is we can convert this in grams to milligrams by multiplying this number by 1,000. So it's going to be 2.22. 2 6 figures, 2.2. I think I made a mistake over here. There are only 4 oxygen atoms. I put 6 here. I've got a new number here, 0.0019 grams or 1.9 milligrams. Right now it's correct.